Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Vietnam pilot rice insect detection app on Anjan.
Feed and feed additives registered for China market in 2021.
Edible oil prices will not rise till February 6th.
CGI has announced the acquisition of the strategic food platform.
Euler hands over Rupshi flour mill in Bangladesh to Citigroup in record time.
Caption news on the Andritz experts.
Training plans have been introduced for proposing and coordinating courses taught in groups.
Registration is now open for NAMA Spring Conference.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Mill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.